Hello, and welcome to Slow Spoken English. I am Richard.
And I am Diana. Welcome to our show.
This podcast is for people who are learning English. We speak slowly and clearly. We use simple words.
Yes, we want you to understand everything we say, so take your time. Listen carefully.
Today, we are talking about first conversations. You know, when you meet someone for the first time.
Right, like at a bus stop, or maybe a cafe, or a tourist attraction.
Exactly. What do you say to someone you do not know? It can feel a little scary. But today, we are going to show you how easy it can be.
Yes, so let's get started.
Okay, Diana, let's do a little role play. Imagine we are meeting for the very first time. Maybe at a bus stop here in Sydney.
Oh, I love it. Okay, let's do it.
Hi there. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am. I think it is a few minutes late. I am Diana, by the way.
Yes. It's always late. I am Richard. Nice to meet you, Diana.
Nice to meet you too, Richard. Are you from Sydney?
No, not originally. I grew up in Newcastle. That is in the north of England. But I live here in Sydney now. I love it here. What about you?
Oh, England. Nice. I'm not from here either. I have lived in Sydney for about 5 years now.
5 years. That is great. Do you like it here?
Yes, very much. The weather is beautiful, and people are very friendly. So, what do you do for work, Richard?
I am an ecologist. I work for a not-for-profit organization. We help protect the environment. I spend a lot of time outdoors, which I really love.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. You work outside in nature?
Yes, it is the best part of my job. What about you? What do you do?
I'm an accountant. Very different from your job. I work with numbers every day. I sit at a desk.
Very important work. So, do you have much family here in Sydney?
Not really. Most of my family is back home. But I have some good friends here. They feel like family to me now. What about you?
Same for me. My family is still in England. But I have good friends here and my work keeps me very busy. It is a good life.
Yes, exactly. A good life. Oh, I think the bus is coming.
Finally, it was very nice to meet you, Diana.
You too, Richard. Have a great day.
You too. Okay, so that was a first conversation. Did you notice the questions we used?
Yes. Simple questions. Are you from Sydney? What do you do for work? Do you have family here?
Exactly. You do not need to say anything difficult. Just ask a simple question. Then listen. Then ask another question.
Right. Most people love to talk. So if you ask, they will answer. And the conversation will flow naturally.
Yes. And remember, it is okay to make mistakes. People are kind. Just try. That is the most important thing.
Absolutely. Every conversation is good practice. Thank you so much for listening today. We really hope this was helpful for you.
Yes, thank you. Remember, the more you listen, the more you learn. So keep practicing every day.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button and subscribe. That way, you will not miss our next episode.
We will see you next time on Slow Spoken English. Cheers.
Goodbye, see you next time.